Okay, so this video is not your typical video on how we clean, pick, and wash our collard greens, but I believe this is perfect for the holidays when you're looking for a quick fix. Same good flavor, perfect taste. Stay tuned and see how I get it put together. Okay, so like I mentioned, this is not your typical collard green video, but this is something simple in case you don't have the time to do all those steps. So I am using the Pictsweet collard greens. They are frozen. And I'm also going to saute up some bell peppers and onions and some beef bacon for that extra flavor. Now, normally when I cook my greens, I add smoked turkey necks or smoked turkey parts for the flavor. But this is a quick video, so I'm using some beef bacon. You can use whatever meat you like. I added my greens, and this is where I'm going to add the broth, which is some better than bouillon vegetable broth. It's going to give these greens a really good flavor. Once I added my greens into the already sauteed bell peppers and onions and the bacon, then I go ahead and just pour my broth. You can use chicken broth or you can use beef broth. I just wanted to use the vegetable broth for the extra flavor. And don't worry about if all of it doesn't dissolve because it's going to cook inside the pot. I'm adding some low sodium slap your mama cajun seasoning just to help control some of the salt content. I'm going to add a little bit of that liquid hickory smoke, just about a half a cap, to add that extra smoky flavor to these greens. And then of course you want to also add, this is very optional, and I'm saying this boldly. This is optional. I just kind of wanted that extra little bacon flavor by adding some of those imitation bacon bits. You don't have to. This is, like I said, not your traditional collard green recipe, but that's just what I wanted for that extra flavor of the bacon. And after I did that, I add a little bit of softened butter. This is going to give these greens a really nice flavor with the bacon and the liquid hickory smoke. And after I add that, then I'm going to let that melt and going to cover this and let this cook for about a good 20 to 30 minutes. After 20 or 30 minutes, I went ahead and tasted it, saw that it needed just a pinch more salt. And that's why I used the low sodium slap your mama Cajun seasoning. That way I can control how much salt I want to have in these greens. A little bit of pepper, and then I covered it and I went ahead and let these finish cooking for about another 30 minutes. After the total of about 1 hour, these greens were done and they were ready to be plated. I mean, they were so full of flavor. That hickory flavor from the smoke of the bacon and that liquid. I mean, it was perfect. And you didn't have to stand up over the kitchen sink picking and cleaning. Now, I will show a video on how I do that step as well, but this is just for a quick fix when you have company coming over and you may not want to do all of those steps. So if you like this video, please leave a comment, share, and subscribe. And like I said, stay tuned for more videos for this holiday season. Thank you for watching. God bless, and have a happy and thankful season.